don't care. I'm not leaving. I'm not doing a damn trespass. I'm not leaving. I'm not doing no damn trespass. I'm not leaving because I didn't do nothing. I don't care.
Diamond.
It don't matter. Like I said, spray me. I can spray your ass back. Pop me. I'll pop your ass back.
We're not doing any of that. Trying to explain the situation to you.
I'll still push you down.
Hey,
y'all not getting nothing I share. You still think I'm leaving? I'm not leaving. So
it's not going to benefit.
A mother calls 911 on her own daughter. What happens next raises 3 separate criminal charges and 1 critical question. Where does the law draw the line between a family dispute and a felony?
I don't care what they gonna do. Nothing. So get out. Get out of their house. They're not gonna do shit.
Nobody wants to.
They're not gonna do shit. Get out. Get out my house. Get out. They're not gonna do
Whose house is this?
Mine.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do nothing. It needs to be taken care of. I'm not going nowhere.
Ma'am.
I'm not doing nothing I share. I'm not going nowhere. I don't care. What you gonna do? Nothing.
Ma'am, I'm not trying to make you go nowhere. I'm just trying to
Nothing.
figure out what your name is.
I don't care. I'm not talking to you. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Hey.
No, nobody cares.
Hey, Diamond.
No, nobody cares. Like I said, like I'm finna leave or something.
Hey, Diamond, can we...
Like I'm finna leave, like you finna talk to me. Like you finna do something. Like I said, we've been waiting all day for you to answer the phone.
What's Diamond's last name?
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not doing nothing.
What's going on today?
Get on my nerves.
Who's getting on your nerves?
All of y'all. Everybody get on my nerves.
Why is that?
All she had to do is say, oh, I'm busy.
Hey,
I'm busy. Oh, I was busy.
Diamond.
No, it's embarrassing. You're embarrassing. You're embarrassing me on purpose.
Diamond.
You're being embarrassing.
Hey, can you look
Embarrassing.
Diamond, can you look at me, please?
I don't care. Ain't nothing to look at. I don't like you.
You don't have to care and you don't have to like me.
Somebody's scared of you. You think you're really about to do something. You think I'm really finna live. You think I'm...
What is going on?
She can't live here.
No. Can we leave that open?
She can't live here. So,
Does she live here?
no, she's not live here. She's been staying at the Homeless Alliance for a while. This guy had told me that, and so then I tried to get her. She is my daughter.
Okay.
I tried to get her help. I made a couple of phone calls. I got her accepted into the. I dropped her off there on Tuesday.
So y'all finna do something or some shit. You're not gonna do nothing. Not
Hey,
that.
I need you to quiet
No,
down.
I need you. How about I need you? I need y'all. What you want? You want my purse? You want
What's going on today?
What's going on? What's going on? It's none of your business that I'm not telling you, and I don't have to tell you nothing.
That's fine.
It doesn't matter. Why you so frustrated? Why y'all so frustrated? Why are you here? Why are you talking to me? Why you in my house? Why y'all acting like I'm going somewhere? Like you finna take me to jail? Like you?
I don't know what happened today. I've been working all day, but I have had probably about 5 phone calls from the rehab center on the south side, and so.
Why are you here? Why are you talking to me? Why are you in
So,
my house?
has she lived here at all recently?
No,
Officers entered by invitation of the homeowner, legally sound under Payton versus New York. The threshold question: did the subject have any legal right to remain? She did not. No tenancy, no established residency. She was a licensee. Under property law, a licensee's permission can be revoked at will. Once revoked, continued presence is criminal trespass, not a civil dispute.
the guy that brought her to me, that was
gonna do something.
We're not.
Cause y'all not doing nothing. Not you're not gonna do nothing. Not.
You want to know the only thing we're doing right now?
I don't care what you doing. I want you to get the fuck up out of my house. That's what I want you to do.
The only reason we're here is because
I
we
don't
got a
care. I
call.
want you to get the fuck up out of my
Exactly
house.
what's going
I
on
want
right
you to
now.
get the fuck up out of my fucking house. That's what I want you to do.
Got
That's
it.
what I want y'all to do. Want you to get the fuck up out of my house
Got
and
it.
give me my. Oh, I do everything for
Diamond.
I need to figure out what medication she's on, but I wasn't answering my phone.
Here's what happened.
Ma'am.
Here's what happened. They were supposed to she was supposed to answer the phone and tell them what type of medicine I take. We've been calling all day. Mom, can you tell them what type of medicine I take? Mom, can you tell them what type of medicine I take? Can you tell me what? Hey, no man, stop saying I don't live here because I do live
Diamond,
here.
let's
Stop
step
saying
outside.
I don't live here because I do live here.
Diamond.
No, step outside and do
Let's
it
step
because I'm
outside.
not leaving. No.
Diamond, let's step
No,
outside. We're going
no.
to take you outside.
No, I'm not going to.
Let's step outside easily,
It
or we're
doesn't
going to
matter.
take you
It
outside.
doesn't matter. I'm not going to jail.
So you're refusing to step
It doesn't
outside.
matter. I'm not going to jail.
Are you refusing to
It
step
doesn't matter.
outside?
I'm not going to jail.
We're not talking about going to jail. We're talking about getting you outside. That's all we're trying to talk about right
Gotta
now.
get outside.
Let's get outside and we'll go from there.
Sit outside. Like I'm just about to sit out there and sit out there or something.
Friday and
Hey,
She's still lying.
Diamond.
All you have to do is answer the phone.
All she's asking is for us to step outside. Can we do that right now and then go from there? All of us.
Yeah, you can go ahead and go.
You
that
come
way.
You step out with us, or we'll take you outside.
I'll go that way.
Okay.
I'll go that way. Like I said, exactly why I don't like nobody. Exactly why I don't like nobody. What is there to do?
Hey, come over this way with
Gone
me.
from
Hey, come over this way with me.
And do
Come on.
what? I'm not doing
Off the
nothing.
property.
Diamond.
I'm not leaving.
All right.
And don't touch me neither, because I swear to God, I'll take off on you, because I'm not leaving.
Then listen to what we're saying
And
and
do
walk
what?
this way.
For
Let's
what?
go.
For
so
what?
we can talk.
For what? Because I'm not
Walk.
going to. This is my house.
Diamond.
This is my mom's house. Where's
It's your
there
mom's
go?
house. It's not
Where's
your
there
house.
go?
She asked you to leave.
Where's
Walk.
the No, I'm supposed to be
you to
here.
leave.
I'm supposed to be here. That's why I just got the Uber ride home for it.
She asked you to
No,
leave.
she can't. She did not ask me to do nothing. She
That is
can't
what
ask
we've
me
been
to do
informed.
nothing. I'm not
She
leaving.
wants you out of
I'm
here.
not leaving.
Let's go. Walk.
I'm not leaving.
Diamond, walk.
Like I said, let me go.
Hey,
and
no,
don't
walk.
touch me.
Let's go.
Like I said, don't touch me.
Diamond.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't care. I'm not leaving. This is my damn house.
She asked you to leave.
What are you talking about? Mama,
Let's not interact with that
I'm
anymore.
not leaving. I'll
We're
leave
going this
here.
way.
What are you talking about? I didn't do shit wrong. I didn't do shit wrong. Mama, I didn't do nothing wrong. I just got an Uber from. They told me to come home and see you tomorrow. Like I said, I don't care. She can still give me all my. She can give me all my stuff. Like she finna shake that. Give me my stuff.
Hey,
Give me my stuff.
Diamond, can you talk to me
Give me my stuff.
and let them take care of that?
Give me my stuff.
Diamond,
Give me my stuff.
talk to me.
She can give me my stuff.
We can talk about that in a
She can
second
give me my
once we
stuff.
figure out what we're going
She
to
can
do
really
on our
give me
next
my
steps.
stuff. She can give me my stuff.
I need you to
I
listen.
don't care. She can give me my stuff.
You cannot care all you want, but all we're
Like
trying
I
to
said,
do is
I
help
didn't
you
do
out.
I didn't do shit.
That's fine.
I didn't do shit.
I understand.
So I'm not leaving.
But she's asking you to
I
just
didn't-
property just
I
for a
didn't
second. She will probably let you get your stuff
I
if
don't
you step
care.
off
I
the
don't give a
property.
fuck about her. I don't give a fuck about her and nobody.
That's all right.
Give
But
me
you
my
just gotta
stuff.
Get off the
Hey,
property.
let's get off
I
the
don't.
property and we
No,
can go
I
from
don't.
there.
This is all I'm doing now. Leave me alone. Give me my stuff.
Diamond,
Like I said, the more she keep doing that, the more they gonna get beat up.
I need you to do.
The more
Diamond,
they just gonna keep getting beat up. The more you just gonna keep getting beat up.
who's gonna keep getting?
All of y'all, everybody gonna get beat up. Like I'm finna leave, I'm not leaving.
Diamond, she's asked you to
I
leave the
don't care.
property.
No, she can't ask
We're not
me to
going
do
back
that.
in the house.
Okay, you act like I'm scared of you. Like I'm scared of y'all. Like y'all big and buff and tough. Y'all not big and buff and tough.
All we're
And
trying-
y'all not gonna do nothing. And I don't have to do nothing. And I don't have to leave. And I'm.
Let's say she does leave right now, right? And she's still trespassed. She comes back tomorrow. Call us. She'll go to jail for trespassing.
Sometimes the jail is part of that process into the mental health. I know she's got mental health problems, right? Sometimes it's part of that process. Trespassing is a very simple thing. It's not something that's going to ruin some future or anything for her. Okay, so it's a tool for us to be able to use if you're willing to let us use that tool by you trespassing her.
Officers issued a formal trespass warning on camera before any physical enforcement, establishing the legal record required to sustain the charge. That step was clean. The subject's verbal statements then shifted the legal landscape. Direct threats of retaliation against officers are not protected speech. The First Amendment shields offensive language, not true threats. City of Houston versus Hill draws that line. These statements crossed it.
Not going to leave. No, I'm
you gotta
not.
leave. I
No,
need you
I'm
to
not.
do- hey.
I don't care. Like I said,
Diamond.
because if I start fighting, it's gonna be on and popping.
Will
And
you-
you think somebody cares? I'm not doing that. My
Diamond.
daddy can pull up. My dad can pull up.
Will you
My
listen?
dad can pull up. My uncle can pull up.
Hey,
I don't care. They don't have to because y'all can just leave. You can leave. Yes, I do.
no.
What, you live here? You don't live here? You wish you lived here? Yeah, I know you do, but you don't. So no, I'm not leaving. I'm not
Diamond.
doing nothing out here. Yes, you do. Exactly why y'all can leave.
Hey.
And you think somebody's scared of you or something? I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of none of y'all. And you
not
still
trying to
not going.
intimidate
You
you.
still not getting dime.
Dude.
You're still not getting dime. Y'all still not getting dime. And you still not going to do nothing.
Okay.
And I'm still not leaving.
We need
I
to
don't
listen.
care. I'm
Diamond,
not leaving. I'm not leaving.
I
I'm
need
not
you-
leaving.
need you to do things.
I'm not leaving. I don't have to leave if I don't want to leave. I'm not leaving.
we're asking you to step
I
off
don't
the
care, I'm
property
not
and
leaving.
then going from there.
It don't matter. I'm not leaving. I don't care. I'm not leaving.
Okay. Yeah,
I don't give a damn. You shut up. Shut up. Stop saying
Diamond.
like I did something to her when I've already said I didn't do nothing. I don't give a damn. I don't give a
Diamond.
all of y'all talking to me, really, because I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Acting like y'all about to do something. Y'all better do something. Acting like I did something. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do.
Hey, the only thing we're trying to do is make sure everyone's good here.
I don't care.
Do you have another place that you're able to go?
And I'm not going nowhere. I could be here, but she pissed me off. Like I said, she pissed me off.
She wants her trespass from the property.
I don't care. She pissed me off. You think I'm finna leave or go somewhere? I'm not leaving.
What we're going to do, she's asking you to be trespassed from here. What I'd like...
No, I'm not leaving, Mama. I'm not leaving. I'm not being on no trespassing. I'm not leaving.
Hey.
I'm not leaving. I'm not doing no trespassing. I'm not leaving. I'm not doing the trespassing. So,
been
like I
trespassed
said, I don't
from the
care. I'm not leaving. I'm not doing the damn trespass. I'm not leaving. I'm not doing no damn trespass. I'm not leaving because I didn't do nothing. I don't care.
Diamond.
It don't matter. Like I said, spray me. I can spray your ass back. Pop me. I'll pop your ass back.
We're not doing any of that. Trying
I'm
to
not
explain the
scared of you.
situation to you.
I will still push you down.
Hey,
y'all not getting nothing I share. You still think I'm leaving? I'm not leaving.
So it's not going to benefit you guys to watch her do this anymore. What I'm going to ask is if you guys can just shut the door. That way, so what's going to happen? She's going to walk back on the property, and then we're going to take her. Okay. But I don't want her to walk back to the property and then have access to get in, and because that turns into a whole nother ordeal, and then we're looking at worse stuff.
Diamond.
Like I said, I'm not leaving.
Will you listen for 10 seconds?
I'm not leaving.
All right. Well, you've been trespassed.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.
You don't have to listen to me, but I need you to listen to me.
I don't care. She need to give me my stuff before I beat the brakes off her. While she closing the door and she thinks she all that. She need to take all my stuff off. Everybody can take all my stuff off, all my no, because she's getting on my damn nerve.
All right.
Back to this property.
I don't care.
Come
It's my
on,
damn
Mertz.
property.
Let's go.
Should we just wait right here, or...
Give me my stuff. Give me my stuff.
I told her to lock the door, that way we're not looking at burglary whenever she breaks in.
For real. I'm ready to go already.
We're looking at disorderly now.
Oh, give me my stuff so I can leave. Give me my stuff so I can leave. Stop. Get off of me. I don't have time for that. Get off of me.
What she got in her hand?
I don't care. Get off of me. Get off of me. For real. Get off of me. Give me my stuff so I can leave. Give me my stuff so I can leave.
Get it.
Give me my stuff so I can fucking leave. Get off of me.
You got them both on?
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Boy, you better get the off of me.
Face
like I said, no, you face that way.
You're spitting in my partner's
Boy,
face.
get the off of me before I beat the out your ass.
Good. Hey, you understand if you go to the jail and you have something on you, it's a felony.
Yeah.
You don't have anything else on you, do you?
Like I said, who's going to jail? I'm not. So
You are.
Really, no, I'm not. You can let me go. So let me go.
That's not how it's going to go. You don't have to.
Just stop asking me questions. Don't ever just stop asking me questions. Stop talking to me.
I got it.
Let me go.
Have a seat. You're good.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
In the car.
Yes.
You're lying.
There's no talking any sense.
Yeah.
It's not making sense because she's not fully here.
Yeah,
right?
she's not.
So it's like trying to talk to somebody that's just like extremely drunk.
Yeah.
You're not going to make any sense to them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to get her out of here.
With warnings exhausted and refusal continuing, the force analysis engaged under Graham versus Connor. 3 factors: severity of the offense, threat level, active resistance. All 3 pointed toward physical intervention. Officers responded with soft, empty hand control, proportionate by the continuum, legally defensible. 4 charges followed: trespass after warning, obstruction, assault and battery on a law enforcement officer, and throwing human waste at a government employee. That last charge is not visible in the footage, likely occurring after the subject entered the patrol vehicle. In several jurisdictions, it carries felony status. Officers receive a grade of B. Procedure was clean. 9 minutes of de-escalation before any physical contact reflects genuine restraint. The deduction: repeated argumentative exchanges with the subject. In mental health crisis response, debating facts raises agitation rather than reducing it. The subject receives a grade of C+. Mental health impairment is a mitigating factor at sentencing, not a defense to conduct. No legal right to remain. Verbal threats were chargeable. Physical resistance added charges. Context explains. It does not excuse. The homeowner receives a grade of A-. Accurate, cooperative, legally correct. The deduction: she missed calls from the rehabilitation center all day. the gap that brought this situation to her door. 3 takeaways. 1. A homeowner's verbal revocation of permission creates criminal trespass the moment the subject refuses to leave. Documented on camera. 2. Direct threats against officers are not protected speech and directly strengthen the force justification. 3. Mental health crisis does not suspend liability, but patient de-escalation consistently reduces both harm and civil exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.
I'm gonna keep telling because you all think I'm finna take stuff for you, I'm not going to this. And ain't nobody finna be mean to me. So you're not getting nothing now. So put my stuff down. I can't stand it. I don't care. I don't like you. I don't like none of y'all. I don't have to do nothing now for none of y'all. Never, I don't. And I don't want to do nothing for none of y'all. I don't want to be y'all. So now if you're getting diamond, go ahead, get some diamond. You're not getting diamond. You're not getting nothing. Think somebody want to be your. I'm not being none of. Think I'm finna take up for that. I'm not taking up for nobody. And I don't need nobody to take up for me. Think I want to talk to you or something. I don't like you. I don't want to be around you. Think I'm your friend? I'm not your friend. I don't want to be in this police car.
There's stuff in there, that's all she has though.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because you're not getting diamond.